The topper is the final moment of magic on your Christmas tree, the crowning touch that completes the entire holiday look. It sets the tone, draws the eye, and adds that perfect sparkle that makes your tree feel truly finished. Today, we're exploring Christmas tree topper ideas that are simple, creative, and full of festive charm. We'll look at how to choose the right shape, how to create balance with the rest of your decor, and how to add unique details that make your topper stand out. Whether your style is traditional, modern, or minimal, there's a perfect topper idea waiting for your tree. The shape of your topper sets the overall mood. Tall designs add elegance and height, soft rounded shapes feel warm and classic, while modern silhouettes create a clean, contemporary look. The key is to choose something that complements your tree's style and brings harmony to the entire arrangement. Think of the topper as the tree's personality, the element that ties everything together and gives your decor its final expression. What kind of tree topper do you love? Tall and striking, simple and soft, or bold and modern? Tell us your style in the comments. Once you've chosen the shape, it's time to add those beautiful festive details. Use layers, textures, and accents that match the mood of your tree. Light, shimmer, and delicate touches can instantly elevate the topper and give it a magical glow. Even the smallest detail, a hint of sparkle, a gentle highlight, a soft texture, can transform your topper from simple to stunning. This is your chance to make it feel personal and unique. If these Christmas tree topper ideas inspired your holiday decorating, don't forget to like this video and share it. The placement of your topper matters just as much as the design. Make sure it sits securely and feels proportionate to the tree. A topper that's too heavy or too small can disrupt the visual flow, while the right size enhances the entire silhouette. Position it so it feels centered and balanced, high enough to stand out, but perfectly blended with the tree's top branches. When the topper is placed thoughtfully, it completes the tree with elegance and confidence. For more holiday tree styling tips and decor inspiration, be sure to subscribe. And there you have it. Simple, stylish Christmas tree topper ideas that bring beauty, balance, and holiday personality to your tree. The topper is more than decor. It's the finishing moment, the final sparkle, the piece that says, Christmas is here. All tree toppers and decor pieces featured in this video are linked in the description. So this season, choose something that reflects your holiday style, adds joy to your space, and makes your tree shine from top to bottom. Merry Christmas and happy decorating. If you want next, I can create Christmas tree decoration ideas, Christmas mantle decor, Christmas entryway decor, or anything else in the same style.